Anko from Japan. Today I enjoy Japanese sweets dorayaki. Dorayaki is called Dora cake in English. Okay, let's enjoy cooking. First, crack 3 eggs into a bowl. Mix them well. Place 150 grams of eggs in a large bowl. I will use the remaining eggs to the omelette for my lunch. Add 150 grams of sugar. Mix them well. Add 1 tablespoon of honey. Add 1 tablespoon of sweet sake and mix them well. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 50 ml of water and mix them well. Add this soda water to the egg mixture. Mix them well. Add 180 grams of soft flour and mix them well. Once the dough is well mixed, cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, remove the plastic wrap. Add 50 ml of water to the dough and mix them well. The dorayaki dough is now completed. Heat a frying pan over low heat. Grease the frying pan with oil. The trick to make dorayaki beautiful is to evenly coat the frying pan with oil. Then, place the frying pan on a wet cloth and let it cool down. This process prevents the dough from burning and helps it bake nicely. Return to pan to the stove. Put a ladle full of dorayaki butter into the frying pan. Carefully fold the dough into the circular shape. Heat for about 2 minutes. When small bubbles appear all over the dough, flip it over. Heat the other side for about 1 minute. The dorayaki skin is now completed. Grease the frying pan again with oil and remove from heat with wet cloth. Add a ladleful of butter to the pan and heat it for 2 minutes. When bubbles appear on the surface of the dough, flip it over. Heat it for another minute. Bake all the dough in the same way. Do you know the famous Japanese anime Doraemon? In fact, his favorite food is dorayaki. That's why dorayaki is a popular sweet in Japan. This recipe makes 12 dorayaki skin. Since 2 pieces of skin are used for 1 dorayaki, this is a recipe for 6 dorayaki. All the dorayaki skins have been completed. I recommend covering them with plastic wraps while working to prevent them from drying out. This is red bean paste, Anko. Anko is an essential part of Japanese sweets and is made from boiled red beans and flavored with sugar. Form dorayaki. Unfold the plastic wrap. Place 1 piece of dorayaki skin on top. Place 3 tablespoons of red bean paste on top. Then cover with the dorayaki skin. Finally, wrap the dorayaki in plastic wrap. Gently pin the edge of the dorayaki with your fingers to shape it. Dorayaki is completed. Form the remaining dorayaki in the same way. all dorayaki are completed. Actually, it's better to keep it wrapped in plastic wrap until just before eating to prevent it from drying out. But for the YouTube photo, I removed the plastic wrap and put it on a plate. I cut one dorayaki and show you the cross section. Do you think it looks delicious? Dorayaki, a Japanese sweet, is now completed. いただきます。It's chewy, fluffy, and delicious. Anko is made from red beans, so it is a high-protein food. I think dorayaki is healthier than other sweets because it uses less oil. It's very delicious, so please try making dorayaki. Thank you for your viewing. How was Japanese dorayaki? Don't you think it looks so yummy? Please try it. If you enjoyed this video, please check my YouTube channel and tap like button. I'm looking forward to your comments. See you next week. Bye!